in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium road. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So in today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Divatress.com. She comes from the brand Bobbi Boss, and it's from their Pro Color series. I got her in the style MLF641 Audra. I think I'm saying that right. If not, I'll make sure to have it across the screen. And I got her in the color FL1B/Peekaboo. I have some things to say about Miss Audra, but before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump straight into this one. The cap construction is your typical cap construction with one comb in the back, two combs in the front, one on each side, the adjustable straps, and then it's also a T-part unit. The stock card doesn't say too much about her. It just pretty much says that it has baby hairs, a flex fit cap, heat styling friendly, and that she comes with a 6-inch deep lace part. It doesn't say how long the unit is, but in the front I would guess about 16 inches or so, and in the back about 12 inches. She is an asymmetrical unit, but we'll get into that a little bit later. As far as the texture of this unit, I could definitely see somebody saying that she's like a silky yucky type of texture, but she's definitely leaning more towards the silky route in my opinion. This unit does come in an array of colors, and I'll make sure to have it somewhere here on the screen, but I went ahead and I chose the FL1B/Peekaboo because I thought it was something different. Usually I go for the 1B/613 when it comes to Bobbi Boss, but again, I thought she was different. I wanted to switch it up a bit. Glad I did, but I will say I thought she was going to be a 13x4. Had I known she was just going to be a T-part, basically a bust down middle part, if you will, I probably would not have chose her. I say that because I personally do not think that I have the face for a middle part. So now let's go ahead and talk about the cap sizing on this unit. I'm gonna be honest with you all, like I always am. This unit is not big head friendly. Currently, she is squeezing me right up here in this area, and it's funny because I keep taking breaks to lift her up a little bit just so I can catch some type of relief. So just expect this review to be very short. Something else to mention about this unit is that the moment that I took her out of the package, strands started to come out. Now granted, I know that whenever it's a colored unit, especially something as bright as these face framing peekaboo highlight type of situation, then yes, I am going to expect some type of shading. But right out of the package, when I had not touched the unit, manipulated the unit, plucked anything, yeah, I was just kind of a little bit alarmed about that. Speaking of plucking the unit, the part. Now, even though it's a 6-inch part, which I appreciate because I feel like a 6-inch parting usually gives it a more realistic feel, this unit's part was just, it was basically like this, closed. You have to put in some work when it comes to this unit because, I don't know, the parting, it was, well, I mean, you see it. Now, speaking of putting in work when it comes to this unit, I definitely had to do that because coming straight out of the package, I don't know, I just don't feel like it complemented my face very well. Again, I've said it earlier, I don't think that middle parts look the best on me, and I did think that she was going to be a 13x4, so therefore I was planning on putting her in a side part and then calling it a day. I felt like that would have looked super cute on me, but I don't know, I feel like with the way that I cut her, I feel like she's working for me, but I'm still also on the fence. Now, I did decide to cut her a little bit higher on the right side, and I actually want her cut this length all the way across and then to go down into this long bob side swoop situation. I don't know, I feel like this style complements my face more than just all of the hair hanging straight down in my face as a long asymmetrical bob. I hope I'm making sense. Now on Divatress.com, she does retail for about $44.99, but if you want one of the specialty colors, expect to pay about a $6 upcharge. Now personally, I do think that that price is a little bit steep for this unit, especially seeing as how she was shedding right out of the box, and also you have to pluck the part like crazy. I also would not say that this unit is beginner friendly because I personally had to put in so much work in order for her to work for me. But I don't know, you guys let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. Thank you again to Divatress.com for sending over this unit for me to review. It is much appreciated. I'll make sure to have a direct link to her in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.